Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Nighttime Entrepreneur YouTube channel, the channel that helps you to make money while you sleep and to build your empire by night. Just before we jump into this video's topic, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can use these videos to escape the 9-to-5 lifestyle and start earning a full income online. Okay, so as you guys can see from the video title, today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link in 2019 in two different ways. So the first way is a manual way, and what I've done, just to show you for example, is I've gone to the trending page on YouTube and just picked a random trending video. So it seems that today in March 2019, Game of Thrones Season 8 official trailer is trending #1, so I'm going to click on that and go to that channel. Once I'm on that channel, you'll see in the URL bar at the very top, you have youtube.com/user/Game of Thrones. What we're going to do to this URL is add on a little bit of text after Game of Thrones. But before I do, I want to let you know that you can do this with any YouTube channel, whether it says Game of Thrones or whether it just has a series of letters and numbers. All you have to do is click at the end of the URL and add in a question mark, sub _confirmation equals 1. This is the link you'd send to someone if you wanted to send them to a channel and have a subscribe button pop up on screen. So I'm going to press enter as if I was someone going to the channel. And as you can see on screen, there's your pop-up. So you can click subscribe to subscribe or cancel to cancel. Now the second way to do this in a less manual way is to use your TubeBuddy account. If you're serious about creating content on YouTube, you probably already have a TubeBuddy account. If you don't, I'll leave a link in the description so you can sign up. But once you go to your dashboard, you literally would go down under your channel here and click promo materials. Once you're on your promo materials page, you can see that they've already created links so you don't have to. The first one here is for your most recent upload. You can share that. Your most popular upload, here's a link to that, and that will change over time if different videos become more popular than others. And there's also a short link to your channel page. The fourth option here is the channel page with subscription pop-up link, and this is what we're actually looking for. So we take that and click copy or right click and copy, and wherever or whoever you share this link with, once that person goes to click on that link, they'll be brought to your channel, and as you can see on screen shortly, there will be a subscribe pop-up button. Also, once you have your TubeBuddy account, you can look at your data and your insights, your launchpad, keyword rank tracking, keep an eye on competing channels, brand alerts, A/B tests, and backing things up and exporting them. And as most TubeBuddy accounts are synchronized with Social Blue Book, you can actually check out a channel valuation, which will show you how much companies are paying channels for sponsorship opportunities or dedicated videos and things like that, as well as usage stats on your channel and overall health reports. Anyway guys, there's too many features in TubeBuddy to mention right now. The purpose of today's video was just to show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link 2019. So those are two handy ways you can do it, and once you share those links with people, they'll be brought back to your channel and a subscribe box will pop up. This is also a great link to embed in your description box underneath your videos or on your Facebook posts or Instagram bios, because it will not only bring people to your channel and you're hoping they'll subscribe, it will prompt them to subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, I would appreciate it greatly if you did subscribe to this YouTube channel. You should be seeing a round image of my face on screen right now. If you click that, it should subscribe you to this channel. Please do also check out the Nighttime Entrepreneur podcast. Please comment your thoughts on this video below. Also guys, any and all useful links I mentioned during the video should be linked down below in the description box. And as always, you can head on over to thenighttimeentrepreneur.com for any and all resources you might need. And I'll speak to you in the next video.